balcony. I prepared a light show, you could fake a melody. We could argue over where and when the cymbal hits should be. Well, Hannah takes the stairs and I usually take the elevator. Every now and then she offers me a lemon now and later. Please don't play the matchmaker, please don't be a player hater. If you dig her recent work, then you should go congratulate her.